You know, I never considered a career in hair transplant or hair restoration until I met someone whose life was completely changed, socially and professionally, from having a hair restoration procedure. If you want to find out what it's like to become part of an amazing state-of-the-art team in an incredible facility like here at Bauman Medical Group, listen to some of my team members who are helping change the lives of others for the better.
My name is Tara Blick, and I'm the Patient Service Coordinator. When I initially got started in healthcare, I actually was friendly with Dr. Bauman and his wife Karen, and our kids went to preschool together. It was just right time and a perfect fit. Started here and been here, I think, 10 years. Hair is so important. I think that patients, you know, it's just such an emotional journey for those patients that are losing hair, both men and women. And, you know, I feel that everybody just feels completed when they have a full head of hair that they're proud of.
Hi, my name is Liz Ash. I'm the Director of the Consulting Division and Hair Coach Liaison for Bauman Medical. As the Director of the Consulting Division, I handle a lot of the business-to-business negotiations and relationships with our vendors and create win-win partnerships for them. One of the most memorable experiences I've had since being at Bauman Medical is helping a young patient by the name of Misty. Misty had a severe burn to her scalp from a childhood accident and was unable to have a normal life due to her extensive hair loss. And Dr. Bauman had supplied her with a beautiful scalp prosthetic, and that really changed her life. And Misty forever has changed me.
My name is Felipe Reynoso. I'm a surgical assistant here at Bauman Medical. At Bauman Medical, I do the assisting with Dr. Bauman, getting the patients ready in the morning, dealing with the FUE cases. Well, working with Dr. Bauman was a whole new experience for me. I, again, came from offices that had world-renowned doctors, and I didn't learn anything from them, unfortunately. And it's not that I couldn't, it's just that the availability to learn more wasn't there. When I came here with Dr. Bauman after my second year of working here, we went to a conference which in other places I couldn't get to. And I've been in another place for 9 years, couldn't even get there. With Dr. Bauman, he felt the office needed, you know, the experience and the exposure, so he took us all to an ISHRS conference, which to me was kind of like what I've always wanted to do. Being there, I've met technicians that invited me to speak in roles in regards to being a technician. So we approached Dr. Bauman, and the best thing was that he encouraged it.
My name is Nicole. I'm an LPN. I'm also a surgical assistant here at Dr. Bauman's office, Bauman Medical. Working here at Bauman Medical, I've seen great results, not only from the surgical side. Obviously, we do great surgical procedures. We see people go from very scarce amount of hair to having a nice full head of hair. Not only from surgery, we also have non-invasive treatments, topical, oral treatments that help with hair growth. So we see people come in here maybe on their first initial consultation and be very sad and emotional, and then usually when they're leaving and they start to see results, when over time we start to see that confidence build up and people come and leave very happy.
My name is Heather, and here at Bauman Medical I am the surgical assistant. I interact with patients by helping them through the consultation process, getting them to see Trina, our nurse practitioner, or Dr. Bauman, and then walk them through the process of what their hair care needs are. And if they are a surgical candidate, at times I also help out in the surgical setting. Just learning about the whole process, how hair transplantation works and how we can help regrow hair, that whole niche field was very exciting for me, and just all the innovative stuff that is available to help continue to grow hair, all the new technologies, regenerative medicine.
My name is Melissa Catilla, and I'm a surgical assistant at Bauman Medical. In my 6 years at Bauman Medical, I've seen this team provide life-changing results to our patients. When patients get their hair restored, their overall attitude changes and they feel more confident on a day-to-day basis.
My name is Morgan Shigdinis, and my role here at Bauman Medical, I am a patient services coordinator. As a patient service coordinator, we are the first line of contact, so when people call us, the first thing we do is ask them if they're local, we'll do appointment in-house, or if they're virtual. We do have more than 50% of our patients, across the world, so we let them know that even if they can't come in, virtual is an option. And then we get them set up from there, whether it be in person, we'll just get forms, and then if it's virtual, we do the pictures, the forms and all that, and we get that in, and if they have any questions, we're there to answer it and ease their mind and let them know they came to the right place.
Hi, my name is Mandy. I'm a surgical assistant here at Bauman Medical. What I do here at Bauman Medical is I help patients with consults and I help Dr. Bauman in surgery. When a patient comes in for the initial consultation, I'll normally go ahead and start doing trico photos, we'll do a hair check, and we'll get all the information that we need to prep Dr. Bauman to come in. The culture here at Bauman Medical is very family oriented. Working with Dr. Bauman is great. He's constantly teaching you and you're always learning something new.
Okay, my name is Blanca and I have multiple roles here at Bauman Medical. I'm a surgical assistant, I'm also a licensed massage therapist, a medical esthetician, and I'm also a laser tech. In my role as a surgical assistant, I help with the intake, the initial evaluation of the patient. They come in and we do some hair checks, we ask them all the questions, and then we brief Dr. Bauman. Here at Bauman Medical, where it's like a family. We all work together, team players, we're all excited to be able to make a difference on all of our patients. And with one another, we're just all a big happy family here at Bauman Medical.
I've spent the last 25 years building an incredibly positive, team-oriented environment that helps take care of patients every single day to the best of our ability. If you think you'd like to become part of this team, then reach out to us directly. We'd love to hear from you.